Okay, good morning everyone. Happy snow day. I'm going to show you real quick how to do page 6 in your packet if you're not quite sure. It's pretty simple. So we're going to use my car. So my car is a Nissan, and sorry, on your packets this part's all black, so you can just write it right above. So it's a Nissan Altima, and I got it in year 2013. So then you have to look up, using the internet, the city and highway fuel economy of the car. So my car says that in the city it gets 27 miles per gallon, and on the highway it gets 38 miles per gallon. So then what you do is you take these two numbers, add them together, and divide by 2 to get the average fuel economy, which is 32.5 miles per gallon. Here you're going to balance the equation for combustion. I'm not going to do that for you, so you guys can do that for your own. And then down here, I want my car to last forever so that I don't have to buy a new car. So we're going to pretend that my car lasts for a full life of 200,000 miles. So I'm going to take 200,000 miles and I'm going to divide it by my average miles per gallon, which is 32.5. And whatever number I get goes right here for the number of gallons of gas that my car will need over its whole lifetime. I'm going to take that number, I'm going to multiply it by $2.53 to figure out how many dollars it's going to cost me over the lifetime of my car to fill up the gas tank. It's a lot of money. And then we don't typically use gallons in chemistry, we use grams. So you have to take this number and convert it from gallons of gas to grams of gas using the conversion factor that there are 2,835 grams of gas in 1 gallon of gas. So gasoline is typically octane, C8H18. So you're going to do stoichiometry with however many grams you calculated of C8H18. And then you guys know that you have to go from grams of C8H18 to moles of C8H18. Then of course you use the mole ratio. So you're going to go from moles, and I'm just going to write gas now because I'm lazy, from moles of gas to moles of CO2. And then you're going to go from moles of CO2 to grams of CO2. And the actual way the EPA measures it, if you want to go one step farther, you may, is you could go from grams of CO2 to metric tons of CO2. And there are 1,000,000 grams in a metric ton. Okay, not required, but if you want to do that step, you can. And then put the final number down here. So make sure you check Blackboard and Google Classroom for what car you were assigned to do this problem with. Enjoy!